In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a page on Looker Studio. This process, which might seem daunting at first, is quite straightforward once you know the steps involved, so let's dive right into this tutorial and demystify the process together. First things first, you need to navigate to Looker Studio's website. Simply type https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted by the home page of Looker Studio, a powerful tool from Google that allows you to visualize your data interactively. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Use it for free. This is your gateway to all of Looker Studio's features without needing to open your wallet. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to continue. At this point, you'll need to provide your email address. Type in the email associated with your Google account to ensure seamless integration with other Google services. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your password. Fill in your password carefully and then click on Login to proceed. Having logged in successfully brings you closer to the heart of Looker Studio. Your next step is to go to the Looker Studio workspace by clicking on Report from the dashboard. This will take you directly to where the magic happens. Now we're getting to the exciting part. Select Google Sheets as your data source for the report. Google Sheets is a versatile tool that allows for easy collaboration and data management, which makes it a perfect pairing with Looker Studio. Once you've selected Google Sheets, you'll need to authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Sheets data. Click on Authorize to grant these permissions. Don't worry, Google ensures your data security and privacy during this process. Upon successful authorization, you'll then click on Existing Sheets to choose from your available Google Sheets documents. This allows you to work with data you've already compiled, streamlining the process of creating a report. Select the sheet you wish to use for your report by clicking Add next to the relevant file. This action imports your data into Looker Studio, setting the stage for you to transform this raw data into compelling visualizations. Once your sheet is added, you'll see an option to Add to Report. Click on this to officially incorporate your data into a new report. You're now ready to work on your report within Looker Studio. By default, your report title will be Untitled Report. To give it a more descriptive name, click on the title at the top of the page. This is crucial for organizing your reports, especially if you're managing multiple projects or data sets. After clicking on the report title, simply type in the new name you wish to give your page. Choose a name that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the report. This will make it easier to locate and reference in the future. And that's it. You've successfully named a page in Looker Studio. Remember, naming your report pages clearly and descriptively is essential for maintaining an organized workspace, especially as your number of reports grows. Throughout this process, make sure each step is completed before moving on to the next to avoid any errors or lost data. And keep exploring Looker Studio's features to get the most out of this powerful data visualization tool. Remember, the key to mastering Looker Studio, or any software for that matter, is practice and exploration. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of data or visualizations to fully harness the potential of this platform. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started, I hope this guide has illuminated the path to more effective and efficient report naming in Looker Studio. Dive in, explore, and let your data tell its story in the most compelling way possible.